Not an insignificantly sized box. Shipping weight's about 65 pounds. Good sturdy side handles. One of the things that struck me was the way this didn't seal tightly, making me wonder if it might be a repack. Don't know, but it also could just be. It's a very thick corrugated package. So we will see what we get at when we get inside. All right, let me set this on the floor and crack it open. All right, down where I can get at it here. This out, open. All right, right on top, nice giant pizza peel. Kenji Alt Lopez did a great review on backyard pizza ovens, where he actually commented that this has become his favorite peel, and he would absolutely have purchased this as its own accessory. All right, styrofoam packaging, not super environmentally friendly, but sturdy and certainly does the job. All right, so here we've got the fire makers. Over here, the propane setup, and this is the wood burner. I paid $4.99 for this on Amazon. It's also available right now for $4.99 at Gozney. Normally $5.99. They're currently promoting this as a free extra, basically knocking $100 off the price. As you can tell, this is normally a part of the package, so it makes me wonder if maybe the price has come down permanently. Let's pop this out. Oh, hey, a little extra. Little bottle opener there, nice little throw in, little promo item. Handy for me because I do not currently have one of these on my keychain, so that's going on there. All right, slid the fire burners out, and we got a little protective paper here in the oven itself. It's got a nice handle. I believe this is also supposed to be a shoulder strap. Again, this is a 65-pound unit, so this is probably handy if you're going to haul it to your car to take somewhere, but I wouldn't currently say this is super mobile. All right, set it on the counter here, right inside. Instruction booklet and packet there. And let's see, this is Velcro. All right, that is certainly not a shoulder strap, more just a handle. Still, definitely handy to have that to move it around your house, or as noted, take it out to the car. All right, let me turn this around. Flip it up here in just a second and take a look at the leg assembly. All right, I've got it sitting on its face. And you can see here the fire boxes, or whatever you would call them there, obviously just have a twist in. It looks like it'll be pretty easy. The legs definitely seem sturdy. They just double fold out. That's about it. So 3 of those. All right, take a second here. Pop this up and take a look at it. All right, so there it is standing up. Have not put the fireboxes on or anything. That'll have to come later. We got a thermostat on the side here. Again, the claimed temps that I have seen backed up are up well over 900. Mostly going to be operating in that red range for New York and Napoli style pies. Bunch of warnings, use outdoor only. As noted, this thing gets hot. Don't use it inside. All right. Okay, well, I'm going to make pizza later, so we'll do another one of these and we'll see how it comes out.